Alright, listen up. Bitcoin is going ballistic, and if you're still sitting there wondering if crypto is worth your time, you're already behind. But let me break it down for you. 2024 and 2025, these years aren't just about Bitcoin smashing all-time highs. We're talking about positioning yourself for absolute dominance in a market that's primed for massive gains. Now in this video, I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I'm just going to give you the exact plays, my investment strategies, and what I see coming next. If you want to make it big, you gotta stick around. Also, if you want to be eligible for a Tangem Hardware wallet, be sure to comment the timestamp at which you see a pack of regularly spearmint gum. The cryptocurrency market is on fire and Bitcoin is leading the charge, recently soaring past $93,000. Bitcoin has left even seasoned investors in awe. Now much of this momentum is tied to the outcome of the US presidential election, with Donald Trump securing a second term. Now his pro-crypto stance has injected a fresh wave of optimism into the market, sending Bitcoin's price up by an astonishing 34% since election day. This bullish atmosphere is echoed by financial heavyweights like Bernstein, whose analysts are encouraging investors to double down on the crypto sector. Now, their projections suggest that Bitcoin could touch 200,000 by the end of 2025. Now, similarly, VanEck's digital assets expert Matthew Siegel has boldly stated it is just getting started, forecasting Bitcoin to rise to 180,000 in the next 2 years. Key to this optimism has been the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year, which is a long-awaited milestone that opened the door for institutional investors to jump in. Blackrock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF has been a major catalyst, drawing significant inflows and cementing Bitcoin's place as a legitimate asset class for big players. And these developments have created a perfect storm for Bitcoin's rise, fueling speculation about what's next for the broader cryptocurrency market. But of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Critics warn that the current euphoria could mask deeper economic vulnerabilities. Renowned economist Harry Dent has raised concerns predicting a market correction as early as mid-2025. While Dent's view may be an outlier, it underscores the volatility inherent in this space. Now for me personally, the closer we get to 100,000, the higher the chance of us hitting that level. It's a psychological thing. And there have been so much talks over the past months in regard to 100k Bitcoin that it's now inevitable that we hit it because we're so close. I even believe we will hit that before we hit a certain correction. Now before we go into the rest of this video, I'll have to make sure you remember that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you'll most likely lose it all. Now if you do gain a lot, you have to get a hardware wallet, which I'll link down below for you too. Now let's also take a quick moment to promote my cryptocurrency course as well. Welcome to Crypto with Rico presents the Ultimate Crypto Course, a course designed to take you from crypto curious to crypto confident. Whether you're just beginning to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin or looking to dive deep into decentralized finance, NFTs and the metaverse, you've come to the right place. Here, you'll get the knowledge you need to understand how cryptocurrency works, how to secure your assets, and most importantly, how to build a solid portfolio that positions you for long-term success in this rapidly evolving space. Get the course now while you still can by clicking the link in the description, and let's get cracking. However, it's clear that crypto is here to stay, with 3 categories in particular that I'm betting big on personally, which are utility tokens, GameFi, and AI. These markets are not just growing, they're going to change how we think about finance, gaming, and technology. Utility tokens are the backbone of blockchain ecosystems. They're not designed to make you rich overnight, but to enable access to services within their network. Take Chainlink for instance, which is used as an Oracle service to combine off-chain records with on-chain data. And the market for these tokens is thriving, fueled by the rise of decentralized applications and platforms like DeFi, where utility tokens often serve dual purposes, facilitating governance and unlocking platform-specific features. Now, experts at Morpher highlight that as blockchain continues to find its way into industries like finance, logistics, and even art, demand for these tokens will only grow. They're becoming essential tools in an increasingly decentralized digital economy. Do I believe that any utility token will thrive in the coming months? No, not at all. Because one sector I don't think there will be a demand for is real estate. You see more and more projects talking about tokenizing assets, with real estate in particular. However, up until now, none of these projects have ever made it. In the financial world, I do believe there will be a huge demand because we see governments and countries making shifts toward a pro-crypto attitude, which leaves the market open for new possibilities and opportunities. Next up is GameFi. Gaming is no longer just a pastime, it's becoming a legitimate way to earn money. Now GameFi, the fusion of gaming and decentralized finance, is taking the gaming world by storm. Now, unlike traditional games where in-game assets are stuck in a closed system, GameFi projects let players truly own, trade and even monetize their digital treasures. This sector is exploding. A recent Data Intello report puts the GameFi market at $12.8 billion in 2023, with projections soaring to $126.3 billion by 2032. And this meteoric rise is driven by blockchain's ability to make in-game economies transparent and secure. Now players aren't just spending money, they're making it. Games like Axie Infinity and Illuvium have shown that play to earn isn't just a buzzword, it's a sustainable model. And with NFTs adding another layer of uniqueness and value, GameFi is turning gaming into a decentralized community-driven economy. The appeal isn't just financial. Blockchain-based governance models allow players to vote on game development decisions, fostering a sense of ownership and loyalty. And this blend of entertainment, finance and community has positioned GameFi as a key pillar of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It's also the most easy way to onboard people into crypto. More and more projects allow you to just play their games in a Web2 environment while creating rewards in Web3. When you want to cash out on those rewards, wallets will be created automatically in the background, which you can then use to send your funds to an exchange to exchange them for fiat. If utility tokens in GameFi are evolving, AI-driven cryptocurrencies feel downright futuristic. AI-driven cryptocurrencies are arguably the most exciting and transformative niche in the blockchain space. They merge the predictive analytical power of artificial intelligence with the decentralized transparent infrastructure of blockchain. Now, one standout project in this sector is Render Network, which exemplifies how AI and blockchain can come together to tackle real-world challenges. Render Network leverages blockchain to distribute GPU rendering power, a crucial resource for industries like 3D modeling, gaming, visual effects, and even artificial intelligence. With the growing demand for realistic graphics and large-scale AI computations, the traditional centralized systems that handle rendering are becoming bottlenecks. Now, Render Network addresses this by creating a decentralized marketplace where users with excess GPU power can connect with creators and developers who need it the most. What makes Render particularly fascinating is its potential to integrate AI more deeply into its ecosystem. By enabling AI-driven optimizations for rendering tasks, the platform could drastically reduce rendering times while enhancing quality. For instance, AI could predict workload demands across the network, assign rendering tasks to the most efficient GPUs, and even suggest improvements for computational efficiency. And this blend of AI and blockchain is an example of how decentralized systems can tackle scalability and efficiency challenges head-on. The market prospects for projects like Render Network are promising. As industries like gaming, virtual reality, and AI-driven content creation expand, the need for decentralized rendering solutions will only grow. A recent report by VanEck predicts that the AI-driven cryptocurrency market could generate over $10 billion in revenue by 2030, and platforms like Render are positioned to play a significant role in this growth. Render also highlights a critical trend, the move towards decentralizing computational resources. By democratizing access to rendering power, Render allows smaller studios, independent creators, and even hobbyists to compete on a level playing field with large enterprises. And this has implications far beyond rendering. It's about breaking down barriers to entry and enabling innovation across industries. Now, Render is one example, but look at the integration of AI in systems and our lives as well with personal assistants like Google. I expect plenty of AI projects that will enhance our lives in a positive way. It's like the supermarkets that we go to for our groceries. The infrastructure plays will become the best, following by one or two dominant market players within the AI space. As AI continues to advance and computational demands skyrocket, platforms like Render demonstrate that blockchain isn't just a tool for finance, it's a foundational technology capable of transforming industries. By combining the power of decentralized networks with AI's ability to learn and optimize, Render Network is setting the stage for a future where creativity and computation know no bounds. Now, the utility token, GameFi and AI-driven cryptocurrency sectors are more than just buzzworthy niches. They represent the future of blockchain technology. Now, utility tokens provide the infrastructure, GameFi offers a new way to blend entertainment and earnings, and AI-driven cryptos push the boundaries of what's possible in decentralized systems. These markets are still maturing, and while the potential is vast, so are the risks. So investors and developers alike need to stay informed and strategic. But one thing is clear: these three sectors are not only shaping the crypto space, but also influencing how we live, work, and play in a digital-first world. Whether you're a gamer, a tech enthusiast, or an investor, these markets are worth watching as they redefine what's possible with blockchain. All sources used, by the way, can be found in the description, so you can research all the findings and come up with your own conclusions. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!